Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. I'm your host and resident tech enthusiast, and today we have a dash cam showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the G-Pop dash cam, and in the right corner, we have the Focusrite dash cam front-rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam: video quality. The G-Pop dash cam boasts a real 4K plus 1080p dual camera setup, capturing all the key details like road signs and vehicle plates. The Focusrite dash cam, on the other hand, offers a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and full HD 1080p for the rear camera. That means you'll be able to see every single detail on the road, even at night. Now let's talk about connectivity. The G-Pop dash cam supports Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to easily access and download your footage using your smartphone. Plus, you can even share your epic road trip moments with your friends on social media directly from the app. The Focusrite dash cam takes it up a notch with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi, providing faster and more efficient performance. And with the built-in GPS tracking, you can view your real-time driving route and speed on the app. Both dash cams come with some cool additional features. The G-Pop dash cam gives you the option to install it on the front or rear windshield, depending on your preference. It also has crystal clear night vision with HDR, cutting down on glare and reflection. On the other hand, the Focusrite dash cam sports a larger 3.39 inches IPS display, offering an enhanced video playback experience. And with smart voice control, you can lock important videos with just a simple command. Now let's talk about parking monitoring. The G-Pop dash cam has a 24/7 recording and time-lapse feature, capturing and saving footage even when your car is parked. It's like having a reliable witness for any unexpected incidents. The Focusrite dash cam takes it a step further with its collision detection mode and time-lapse recording. It automatically activates and records a 30-second emergency video when it detects a collision while parked. The G-Pop dash cam and the Focusrite dash cam are both impressive contenders in the dash cam market. Whether you prioritize video quality, connectivity, or additional features, these dash cams have got you covered. That's all for today's showdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.